What's up, everybody? It's Anthony here with the Monologue, and today we're jumping into our Project KX250 that we picked up. It's a 1994 Kawasaki KX250. It's going to need a lot of work, but we're excited. We're going to jump right in. Today we're going to get it cleaned up, and we'll get some parts taken off of it, and we're going to send those out up to Georgia to get them vapor blasted. That'll be the start of our project. And here is the engine, or what once was an engine. Got a lot of work to do on this thing, but about 99% of it is here, which is good. We just got to, I need to source another case because whoever had this bike before and started to tear it apart, as you can see here, completely destroyed the cases while they were doing it. The good thing is the tranny steams, like, it'll be salvageable, as well as the clutch and everything on the other side. The head and the cylinder are all good. We lucked out there, and yeah, we're going to get it put back together and get it running hopefully here shortly. We'll bring you guys along for the ride, and I'll video most of it as we do it.